What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage back at another video, man, and today we're going to be talking about the most anticipated Jordan releases of 2019. I'll say most anticipated because these are shoes that I really will go out for and I will really pay over resale, because everything else I feel like is going to be either too hyped up or just some general releases, you know what I'm saying? And these 4 shoes that I have today that we'll be discussing is some of the most iconic, some of the most OG, some of the most appreciated colorways in the Jordan brand community, whatever you want to call it, man. But before we get into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're right around the corner from 15,000 subscribers, man. I don't know when I'm posting this video, so we might be at 15K, we might be a little past 15K, I don't know yet. But also follow me on Instagram at @TheVintageWorld. The link will be in the description box below, man. So all that being said, let's get into this video. So the first shoe I have on hand is the Air Jordan 11 Breads. These shoes right here, as y'all know, is my favorite out of the Concords. Did a video about these versus the Concords, and of course I felt like everybody said Concords because it was Concord, you know what I'm saying? It's Concord season. Everybody knew the Concord was releasing all year and the hype was built up. But we knew last year that these were releasing. Now I feel like everybody gonna say these are the better out of the Concords and these. But I've been saying this one is better than the Concords in my opinion. I'll pick these over those just because you can wear these and they can still look brand new. Those, the sole's going yellow. That white's gonna get very, very dirty over time. But these right here, I feel like these gonna be very, very intact. This is a 2012 release and they still look pretty good. Check them out, check them out. Now you're about to get some new, maybe remastered material, maybe some better leather quality and all that. So I feel like this is why I picked these over the Concords. This shoe right here is scheduled to release in this holiday season. They haven't gave us a release date yet, but it's either gonna be in November or December. They might sneak a Jordan 11 on Black Friday. We don't know. They always give us something dope on Black Friday and the holiday season, man, December time. So these right here is definitely one of my most anticipated pickups with that high cut patent leather. As y'all know, I didn't come in the game with this low cut. I came in when they started doing the high cut version of the 11s. And yeah, I can't wait to get these. They probably gonna retail for $250 or up. Let them say it's gonna be 1 million pairs. Let them say they're gonna be a mass produced. Regardless of what they do, they're gonna sell out and everybody's gonna want a pair of these Bread 11s, man. So y'all leave in the comment section below how y'all feel about these and are y'all going after these. Let's get into the next sneaker. So this sneaker right here, the Air Jordan 12 Testis, has not been scheduled to release, but we've been waiting maybe since I've been on YouTube for 2 years. Everybody has been like, they want the Testis, and everybody keeps saying they supposed to release. I even remember last year that they was rumored to release in February or March time frame, but it was, I think Jimmy Jazz put them on their website. I forget what it was, but they did not release, of course. Here go my pair. I think it's a 2014 pair or 2013 pair, and I want another pair. These things beat up. I got these like 2 years after they released, and it was already kind of worn, and I was like, I need a new pair. I need an OG dead stock pair for myself, and then I'm gonna go ahead and beat these things up. But this right here is one of those 12s that be like, everybody want them and everybody need them just because the simplicity of the colorway and you know what I'm saying, the gold hits and stuff like that. I feel like this shoe right here, Jordan brand needs to bring back this year. Maybe it'd be a Black Friday release because they have not scheduled this. I haven't heard no YouTuber, nobody talking about this release. So hopefully we get it. Maybe, maybe not. So y'all let me know how you feel about these in that comment section below. Let's get some discussion going. Would y'all rather get these or the Bread 11s, man? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, the next shoe we have that is scheduled to release this year is the Bread 4s. Like I said, I never had this colorway. I had an opportunity to get it for a little bit over retail last year, but I was like, the shoe is releasing 2019, so why not just go ahead and get that OG pair, that Nike Air on the back and stuff like that. And the release date as of right now, Kicks on Fire, is May 11th. And it's going to be retailing for $200. Y'all know we got that Nike Air on the back. They're going to hit us on the head with those $10 extra. I wish Jordan Brand go down in their prices, but maybe that's another video or a live so we can talk about Jordan Brand need to drop them prices down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the Nike Air on the back, that black and red colorway, just so OG, you know what I'm saying? That Bulls colorway, everybody love it. Everybody say Jordan is great. So everybody gonna want that colorway, you know what I'm saying? That black and red and that bread colorway. So y'all let me know how you feel about these. $200, it's not bad. Speaking when we spent $220 on the True Blue 3s, it's like, hey, I'd rather get those Bread 4s and hopefully they give us some nice quality. Hopefully they ain't no boo-boo quality, man. Hopefully they give us some nice stuff with that $10 extra, you feel me? So y'all let me know how I feel about these. Definitely one of my most anticipated Jordan releases. More of these like anticipated videos will be dropping maybe monthly, if not 2 weeks each, just because I want to, you know what I'm saying, be relevant in the most upcoming releases, man. So let's get into this last sneaker we're talking about. So the last shoe is the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays. Like, everybody's been talking about this shoe, and I feel like this is a shoe that I'm gonna have to get just because, like, I ain't never had a lot of 4s, and I want to start getting 4s. Just like last year when the 13s was dropping, I want to get a lot of 13s. just like the ones. And they have a lot of ones. Last year was a perfect time to, you know what I'm saying, stack the ones up and get all the ones that you really want. Maybe most of the ones general releases. The ones that wasn't general releases, you was like, hey, you probably won't get him. I probably got to hit up StockX. It is what it is. This year, I think it might be like year of the 4s or year of the 12s. I've seen a lot of 12s releasing as well. But like I said, we're going to get into those separate releases or separate general releases 2 weeks in advance of each of those sneaker releases, if you get what I'm saying. So these Cool Grade 4s are releasing August 3rd right now, projected on Kicks on Fire, and they're retailing for $190. These right here look very, very clean. It's like a new book material, and it looks dope. You got that white midsole, and like I said, this is a shoe that I'm going after. I definitely know I'm gonna cop, and hopefully it's a general release to where it's not too hard to get, but hopefully it's not too, I hope it's like a general release slash limited. I forget what they call that. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, but let me know if y'all going after these right now, and let's get some discussion going about these Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Vintage. I'm sorry, I was editing this video. I'm already about to film another video, as you can see, and I realized that I didn't add in one shoe that maybe is the most hyped up shoe of this year besides the Britt 11s and the Britt 4s, and it is the Infrared 6s. I did not add the Infrared 6s on the video. I don't know how those slipped my mind, but I do know I added the Britt 11s, the Britt 4s, Cool Grade 4s. Did I add to? Really, nigga? But I did not add the Britt 6s. So y'all let me know in the comment section below if y'all going after these Britt 6s. These may be the second hyped up shoes this year. We haven't really got too deep into the year to where they, you know what I'm saying, hit us with these releases out of nowhere. So we might see some crazy stuff. We might not. And I feel like this is maybe 1 and 2 with the Britt 11s and the Infrared 6s dropping for Jordan Brand this year, besides the Britt 4s, man. So I'm sorry I didn't add that into the video. I had to insert it in there now. So let me know in the comments section below if y'all going after these Infrared 6s, because I know I'm definitely going after a pair. I was actually trying to get the 2014 release. Just when I think I just hit somebody up on Facebook yesterday trying to get them for like $100, because they know that it's about to be a major general release for these Infrared 6s, and they trying to get them off their hands now. So I feel them. I feel where they're coming from, but I was like, man, why not get these pairs? They look very near dead stock, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to cop those, do a comparison for you guys. And yeah, man, we right by that 15K, right by 15K. Y'all help me share the videos. We right around the corner from that thing, so y'all help me out. We so close. It's crazy. It's hurting me that I'm so close to 15,000 subscribers and we ain't hit it yet. So it's all good. I love y'all. Appreciate all love and support. We're gonna get there very soon. And yeah, let's jump right to the video. That is it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. We want to get this video to 100 likes. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another one of these videos. Follow me on Instagram at the Vintage World, man. We're trying to get to 5K followers over there. And with all that being said, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.